Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the part 2 of Vinayaka Chavati 2024. So in the last vlog I was talking about how we worked really hard to put the Ganesha in our tent, and also the last vlog was about shopping and stuff. So if you did not see the part 1, do check it out, link in description, and here is the part 2. So it was 7th of September. It was the day most of us have been waiting for from a long time. It was the day that brings some sort of energy into us, and it was the most awaited Vinayaka Chavati. So on the evening of Vinayak Chavati, my friends and I gathered near the Ganesha and we started arranging things for the puja. We started arranging chairs and stuff. But it felt very different this time because before lockdown, we were kids who kept running here and there. We used to play games like hide and seek, and we used to sleep at 10 p.m. because we had schools. And now everything has changed because during lockdown 3 years we couldn't put Ganesha in our gully, and after that all of us started doing uh, arrangements. We started staying up till late nights selecting the Ganesha, getting it. It felt very different, and also I felt that time has gone so fast that we just grew up within no time. And after all the arrangements, I felt really tired, but I was also excited because I was meeting all my friends after so long. So that excitement kept me going. Hello guys, so ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే పనులన్నీ అయిపోయాయి and we have to take the stand for the stage, and probably after this we'll go home and take some rest because we are really tired. So the stage and everything is ready right now, so I'll meet you when the puja begins. Finally, after all the arrangements, the puja started, and it felt so good to see that scenario because there were tiny kids running here and there, and my friends were talking about career and stuff. All the elder people were gossiping, they were talking about their jobs, etc. And yeah, even though I was tired, it was worth meeting all of them after so long, and I felt really happy. And after the puja was done, it was time for that lovely and tasty prasad, because you get to taste a variety of items, and it is the first day, so there were little special items also. It just everything added to the vibe. And after the puja was done, my friends and I sat for some time near in the tent. We were just talking about our careers. We were talking about the paths we are gonna choose, and that conversation wouldn't be like this 3 years ago, but it felt so good, doing all that stuff. So that is how I spent my day one, and in the next day nunchi I had college. So morning I used to be in college, evening I used to attend the puja and stuff. So days kept going on like that. But the prasadam is something that I can never forget because we had so many varieties and it tasted so good. And sometimes when we had work and stuff, we used to hide a part of it so that we can come back later and have all that. So that is how we were having fun. That is how the everything was going on, and days kept on passing by. And on the seventh day, we had a surprise because I went to my college to see that they arranged the band and everything to take the Ganesha to Tang Bund and stuff. And that is actually a surprise because we were in our class. My zoology sir was explaining everything, and suddenly this band starts, and he's like, "Let's go downstairs." And it felt so nice to see all those energetic people around me, my seniors dancing. And Akash, I'm currently in Akash Institute, and that place, there's like lecturers don't show much difference between students and other faculty and stuff. So everyone was dancing, everyone were in the mood, everyone added to the vibe. And here are few clips from the institute. So we had a lot of fun. I danced together with my classmates. We made our lecturers dance. And the next day, when I went to college, uh, that corner where the Ganesha's idol was there started looking empty. I could feel that emptiness, and that decoration was incomplete without the idol. It was little sad, but after the college, I came back home, and on that day, we played Tambola and stuff because it was the seventh day, and on the ninth day, we were removing our Ganesha. So we played Tambola, the classic Indian game, and after all that was over, uh, I was there with my friends. We were talking randomly, and then suddenly we decided to stay in the tent. We decided to sleep there the whole night. Yo people, so it is 12:30 a.m. and యాక్టివా మీద కూర్చొని భాగ్యలక్ష్మి దోశ సెంటర్ పోతున్నాం దోశలు ఇడ్లీ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి అండ్ దిస్ మిడ్ నైట్ వీ వర్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇన్ ద టెంట్ గణేశుడి దగ్గర అండ్ వీ వర్ సో హంగ్రీ వీ జస్ట్ థాట్ విల్ గెట్ సంథింగ్ టు ఈట్ బట్ యాక్చువల్ స్టార్టింగ్లో ఎత్తికినాం కానీ ఏం దొరకలే సో భాగ్యలక్ష్మి దోశ సెంటర్ అని హిమాయత్ నగర్లో ఉంది వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ దేర్. So we were just chit chatting, and that night, because of the company I had, the mosquito was the heat, and the hard stage which I slept on, none of that mattered, and we were so crazy that 12:30 a.m. we decided to go get something to eat for ourselves, and it was such a fun time spent with friends. And I don't think people will get such time. I mean, sleepovers are there, but sleeping over in near the Ganesha in a tent was a different vibe. So on the next day we had a go puja and there was a market in our lane. So we decided to distribute pulihora to all the sellers. It felt really good distributing all that prasadam to those sellers who work really hard, and it is worth seeing a smile on their face. These were the 8 days of my Vinayak Chavati, and in between we visited few Ganeshas, and on the ninth day we did the Nimarjanam of my Gully Ganesh. So you'll see all that in the next vlog. So do subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can see the video right after it comes. And before the part 3, there's something even more interesting that is coming out on our channel. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.